In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data from Tableau to Excel in just a few moments. This is a quick and essential process for anyone looking to work with their data outside of Tableau's interactive environment. Let's dive right in and take a step-by-step look at how to accomplish this. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Tableau Public. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see various options and tools available, but our focus today is on exporting data. Next, you'll want to click on your profile, which is generally located at the top right corner of the page. This is your personal hub within Tableau where you can manage your projects and view all your publicly shared visualizations. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you need to select My Profile to proceed further. On your profile page, you should see a list of all your saved and publicly shared projects. Scroll through your dashboard until you find the specific sheet or visualization that you'd like to export. Once located, click on that particular sheet to open it. This action will bring up your visualization in full view, and from here, we can proceed to the next step of the export process. Now that your visualization is open, look for the download icon. This is usually represented by a small downward arrow. Clicking on this icon will reveal several export options. Among these options, you'll want to select Crosstab. This selection is crucial as it allows you to format your exported data in a way that's easily transferred to Excel, retaining the structure and readability of your original sheet. Upon selecting Crosstab, you'll be presented with a few more options. You'll now need to click on Excel. By doing this, you're telling Tableau to export your data in an Excel-compatible format, ensuring that it opens smoothly once downloaded. Finally, you're at the last step. Once you've selected Excel, a new download button will become available. Click on Download to initiate the process. Depending on your browser settings, the file will be saved to your default location, or you'll be prompted to choose a destination. And there you have it. Your data is now exported from Tableau and ready for use in Excel. This process is straightforward, but it can save you both time and effort, especially when you need to manipulate data further or share it with others who might not have access to Tableau. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.